Best deals.
1. Oil filter. This grease container can safely separate a large amount of frying oil, retain the original flavor, filter and store your cooking oil for easy reuse. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Oil dispenser. Lightweight, durable, have easy open lids, easy to clean. It's easy to store in kitchen cupboards. A perfect multipurpose storage container. Can be used for oil, ghee, lightweight, durable, have easy open lids, easy to clean. Highly durable and made of fine quality stainless steel. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Ceramic oil dispenser. The oil dispenser for kitchen features a removable spout, making it effortless to clean. Simply wipe the ceramic oil dispenser 500 ml and spout after refilling to ensure long-term use. The airtight spout ensures longer shelf life while preventing oxidation. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Oil sprayer. Features with exterior non-toxic and safe coating to prevent exposure to sunlight, with no coating on the interior to ensure safe, pure oil storage, keeping olive oil fresh and reducing the risk of spoilage, suitable for a wide range of food preparation processes such as salad dressing, griddle, roasting, grilling. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Steel oil dispenser. Made up of high-quality transparent polycarbonate to keep a check of the content in the container. It can be removed easily to clean the container from inside. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Glass oil dispenser. The 750 ml cooking oil bottle has a milliliter scale that allows you to control the amount of oil or vinegar. A dust cap on the spout prevents dust from getting into the oil can. The non-slip silicone base adds stability, making it reliable for kitchen countertops. Big handle for a comfortable grip and easy single-handed use. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Copper ghee pot. Ideally used for ghee, oil, curd, milk, sugar, liquid and spices, easy to store in cupboards and drawers, has one piece laid with long-lasting rivet knob. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Oil dispenser with brush. Made of durable borosilicate glass, this 1000 ml container is BPA-free, food grade, and safe for temperatures up to 400 degrees Celsius. It's microwave, freezer, and dishwasher safe, and features a transparent design with measurement markings, a lid, a handle, and a leak-proof seal. Crafted from high-quality, lead-free, and BPA-free borosilicate glass, this dispenser is dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. Elevate your cooking and dining experience with this elegant oil dispenser. Made from lead-free glass, it features clear measurement markings for precise portion control, perfect for salads, omelets, and other recipes. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Steel oil dispenser. Made of food-grade thickened stainless steel provide a durable and unbreakable usage test. Oil dispenser is BPA-free, with dust-proof cover. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Oil pourer. It's easy to hold and handle, and it won't slip. Anti-drip design keeps the container clean and dry by preventing leaks. Keep an eye on the contents with the clear top, which can be removed for easy refilling. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Glass bottle. Ideal for storing both hot and cold beverages, heavy gauge composition makes them sturdy, free of lead and cadmium, hence, ideal for regular use, made from 100% pure food grade glass. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Oil sprayer bottle. The oil dispenser features an ergonomic grip, allowing you to effortlessly pull the trigger to spray a fine mist. The wide glass bottle opening to refill easily in its 220 ml capacity is ideal for everyday use to share food with your family or friends using this oil spray bottle for kitchen. Widely used for frying steak, grilling, baking, salad, air fryer and other home users to achieve atomized spraying of cooking oil, which is hygienic, convenient and fuel efficient. Deeply loved by chefs and gourmets. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Glass oil bottle. Elevate your cooking and dining experience with this elegant oil dispenser. Made from lead-free glass, It features clear measurement markings for precise portion control, perfect for salads, omelets, and other recipes. Crafted from high-quality, lead-free, and BPA-free borosilicate glass, this dispenser is dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Steel oil dispenser. Sleek and modern design that complements any kitchen decor, non-drip spout for easy pouring and minimal spills or messes. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Vinegar bottle. High quality material, durable, unique glass equipped with food grade stainless steel stopper. Dishwasher safe for convenient and easy cleaning, thoughtful design, no drip pouring. Classic and elegant restaurant look and feel. Non-porous style means nothing gets in. Stainless steel Pora olive oil bottle set glass dispenser, vinegar cruet for cooking or salad dressing. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Oil dispenser bottle. Made with durable, food-grade transparent glass that lets you easily monitor oil levels and ensures safe storage without any chemical leaching. The transparent design allows you to easily identify the contents at a glance. Made from clear glass with a food-grade PP cap and a silicone basting brush. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Oil dispenser bottle. Compact and space-saving, yet holds ample oil for daily cooking, grilling, or baking needs. Reusable and transparent, made from clear glass with a food-grade PP cap and a silicone basting brush, this olive oil dispenser is eco-friendly, durable, and safe for everyday use. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Oil dispenser. The glass oil dispenser bottle can be filled with most types of oil and liquid sauces for salad making, cooking, baking, pickling, barbecue, frying, marinating, roasting, grilling. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Ghee pot. Is crafted from high quality, food-grade stainless steel, ensuring durability and rust resistance. This ghee container with spoon is perfect for storing ghee, oil, or even pickles, keeping them fresh and hygienic. The sturdy construction of this ghee pot steel prevents breakage, making it a long-lasting kitchen essential. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Oil dispenser. The interior of the bottle is coated with high-quality tin plating, which acts as a protective layer. This ensures that the stored oil remains fresh, untainted, and free from oxidation, making it safe for long-term use. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Brass ghee pot. Constructed from high-quality brass, this pot is built to last and withstand daily use. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Ghee pot. Comes with a durable stainless steel inner lining that keeps your contents hygienic, fresh, and rust-free. Product link is given in the 22nd link.